Hi, I'm Benedetta from local Aromas in Italy, and this is my sister Valeria.
I got our family recipe book, and we're going to be making potato gnocchi today.
Gnocchi is a delicious dish that is made throughout Italy. Each region has its own particular way to do them.
First thing, you need potatoes. Of course. And we're using the red potatoes. Any potato as long as it's old.
Yeah.
So you get the potato, you get a cold pan of water, and you just sink the potatoes in the cold water. When it goes to a boil, approximately 20 minutes, then you get your fork and you make sure that the heart of the potatoes is soft.
And that is step one. Step two, once the potatoes are ready, cut it in half. You take this, the potato masher, and you mash the potato on a surface. You leave it to cool for a bit, and then you start assembling what you have to assemble.
Which is super easy. You need an egg.
Exactly.
Flour. Each potato is different,
Yeah.
so you will slowly be adding the flour.
Exactly, because you don't want to add too much flour, because too much flour makes your gnocchi hard, and that is not what you want. So there is an amount, but just slowly work it.
So after you've put the egg, the flour, the potato, you work it together. You
just
knead it.
You
That's
knead
the
it.
word. You knead it until you get this nice, soft, and non-sticky dough.
Then, with the tip of your fingers, you roll it out into a snake, about a finger thick.
Yeah.
Don't do it too thick. And then with this, which I have no idea what it's called, you chop it up into...
Or a knife. You know,
or
you
a
can
knife,
also
yeah.
use a knife.
You can also use a knife.
You cut it in small parts, and this is the very fun tool, the riga gnocchi, which is a gnocchi striper. And you just gently get the little balls that you got of the gnocchi of the gnocchi dough, and you just roll them out, and you get these beautiful stripes.
And a secret little pocket inside which captures the sauce and just makes gnocchi delicious.
And you're almost done. You just put them out, you lay them down with some flour so it doesn't stick, or if you have like a nice surface. The important thing is that they're very delicate.
They're delicate.
Then you put another pot of water. Once it boils, you throw the gnocchi in.
And they magically
Float.
And when they float, they are ready.
You use a strainer and you put it in your dish.
And then you just add your favorite sauce and
Voila, you're ready.